Once a vehicle has been placed onto the canvas area, it can be clicked and moved to the precise position and rotated using the rotation arrows. Prior to drawing the path, if you need to go back and edit any vehicle settings, just double-click on it to reopen the vehicle library. You can also modify how the vehicle appears on the canvas area here in the Properties palette. Like all objects, you can change the color of the cab, trailers and tyres, the stroke outline of the vehicle, and also the opacity. To start your path, simply click the directional arrow or right-click and select Draw Path. Once clicked, a section details box appears in the top left of the canvas area when you can specify path section parameters such as your speed and whether the wheels can be turned on stop. Speed and friction are linked by default. You'll see that if I increase the speed to 20 miles per hour, the friction value automatically adjusts. To unlink them, simply click this link icon and you'll be able to adjust the values independently. Back to our path, you will see a turning angle displayed on the path. When the cursor is moved, the angle changes and will turn red when you hit the extreme. As you can see, with a default speed of 5 miles per hour, this vehicle has a maximum steering angle of 37.7 degrees. If I increase the speed to 15 miles per hour, the vehicle's turning radius will increase, reducing the maximum steering angle to 28 degrees. Each click of the mouse will drop a control point and start a new section of the path. For this tutorial, let's see if this vehicle can safely navigate through this roundabout at a speed of 5 miles per hour. When you are finished drawing the path, just right-click to drop the tool. Once complete, you can go back and amend your path by clicking and dragging any of the control points. Just note that adjusting the position of a control point will impact other path sections. By default, the vehicle image is shown at each control point, but I can switch this off here. As I adjust the position of the control point, you can see the position of the vehicle shift and the angle of the front wheels change. You can also adjust parameters for any individual path sections. Just select the path, then hold the control key and select the section. When selected, it will highlight red. I can also select multiple sections if needed. Then, in the section details box, you can adjust the speed or toggle turn wheels on stop. If you want to continue a completed vehicle path, just right-click and select Continue Path. This will allow you to continue your path using the set of parameters from the previous section. You can also remove a vehicle control point by right-clicking and selecting Remove. In our next tutorial video, we'll step through evaluating your swept path.